Greetings to everyone from Team Keep Learning. In this video, I'll be talking about the basic terminologies we use in statistics. So let's start. The basic terminologies generally we use in statistics. Let's say there is one river. There is one river of length L and width B. There is a particular stretch of river, not the whole river, which is having a length L and width B. And there are four samples I will take to analyze that particular stretch of river, namely S1, S2, S3 and S4. Now the question is why I will take samples. I will take sample because practically it is not possible for me to take the whole stretch as a sample to the laboratory for the purpose of analysis, because I want to see the water quality of this particular stretch of river. My task is to see the water quality of this stretch of river, and how I will do is that I will take some samples S1, S2, S3 and S4, and I will take it to the laboratory for the purpose of uh, checking the quality of the water. In this case, what I will do is that I will check the solids in the water. I'm just using a general term. There may be more technical terms in this, like total suspended solids, dissolved oxygen, etc. But for the time being, what you can assume is that we are just checking the solids in this particular sample of water, and on the basis of this results of this sample, I will report the water quality of this whole stretch of river of length L and width B. Now in this case we will understand the basic terminologies we generally use in statistics. Let's see. So I have reproduced the figure here itself, full figure, the same previous slide. Now one by one we will see. Population. What is population? Population is all the members of a group about which you want to draw conclusion. All the members of group. That means in this case it is the full length of the river. In this case it is the full length of the river, full stretch of the river of length L width B. It is called population, as you can see here. What is sample then? Sample is the part of the population selected for analysis, because as I told you earlier, practically it is not possible to carry whole water with us to the laboratory for the purpose of analysis. So what we will do is that we will only take some sample. We will only take some sample. So some portion of the water. So that portion is called as sample. Third is the parameter. Parameter is what? It is a numerical measure that describes the characteristics of the population. When I am reporting the result for the whole river, for the whole stretch of length L and width B, it is called parameter. It is called parameter. In this case, it will be water quality. And what is statistic? Whatever chemical composition I am measuring in the sample, it is called statistic. And please keep in mind that this statistic is singular. It is singular word and not the statistics as a whole subject. So what does statistic means? Statistic is a numerical measure that describes the characteristic of the sample. Keep in mind that it is for the sample. It is for the sample, and parameter is for the whole population. So based on the sample analysis, I will report for the whole river, whole stretch of river, and it is called parameter. Okay, it is called parameter. The fifth definition, variable. As it is obvious that this parameter and statistic, whatever we will be measuring in the laboratory, it will not be same. It will not be same. It can change. So this together is called variable. It is called variable. Why variable? Because it is able in varying. It can vary. It can vary with the length. It can vary with the time. That's why these together are called as variable. Now, now we will see what are the types of statistics, or more specifically, what are the branches of statistics we read. So first one is the descriptive statistics. First one is the descriptive statistics. As the name indicates, descriptive means the statistics which will be only describing the data, like its minimum value, maximum, average and standard deviation. All these things we will see in my upcoming videos. And second one is the inferential statistics. It is that branch of statistics that analyzes sample data to draw conclusions about a whole stretch of river. Like in this case, it will be full population. As I told you earlier, descriptive statistics will be for the sample. Descriptive statistics will be for the sample, and inferential statistics is for the population. So in this case, generally we read probability distributions, hypothesis tests, etc. I will share with you all these things in my upcoming videos. So I hope the basic terminologies we use in statistics and the types of statistics, first one descriptive and second one inferential, is clear to you. If you have any doubt, or if you want to give any feedback, or if you have any suggestion, please send it to i.m.always.yours.in.learning@gmail.com.